So now in this section, we're going to learn how to create a linear sentence and use all the building blocks that we saw all throughout the series, okay? So watch, we're going to start very, very simple. Okay, the first sentence, Anton's going to start with an opening. He's going to create an attack, follow with a couple punches, 2 kicks, and close the door, backing up. Okay, Anton's going to enter, kick, punch, 2 kicks of his choice, and close the door, just like this. As you saw, he crossed behind to close the door. So Anton's going to enter, couple punches of his choice, 2 kicks, and close the door, backing up, just like that. As you notice, he chooses to pendulum. Let's see if he can cross in the back. Same thing, okay? So he's going to enter, good, punches, 2 kicks of his choice, and cross behind him, just like that. And that will be your first sentence. Okay, the second sentence is going to be the same thing, but this time Anton's going to finish with a circular motion. He's going to use, he's falling into a circular motion to close the door. So watch, he's going to enter, couple punches of his choice, 2 kicks, and fall into a circular motion. See that? Again, one more time, you can choose another direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, kick, and fall into his lateral footwork. See that? Watch it again one more time. Good. Now you can do exactly the same thing, but do a change of direction when I try to catch up with him. Enter, couple punches, 1 or 2 kicks of his choice, and change direction as soon as I play catch up with him. One more time, he's going to enter, couple punches, 2, 3 kicks, and as soon as I try to catch up with him, he's going to change direction. Now the third one is exactly based on the same concept, but he can jump into his next kick. Enter with a kick of his choice, couple punches, 2, 3 kicks, and as soon as I play catch up, now he's going to jump into his next kick. See that? Let's look at it again, one more time. Enter, couple punches, 1, 2, 3 kicks, and jump on the other side. Now the next sentence, okay, we're going to learn how to use as stop kicks, okay? You see how we're really using the building blocks that we learned. We know how to punch, we know how to kick, we know how to block, we know how to move around. Closing the door backward, closing the door circular motion, and now we're going to use our stopping side kick. So watch, he's going to enter, couple punches, 1 or 2 kicks, and as I come forward, boom, he's going to stop me. See that? Again, one more time, he enters, couple punches, 1 or 2 kicks, as soon as I try to come, boom, he stops me. See, he does it with his lead leg or his real leg. The next sentence, okay, again, he's going to enter with an entry of his choice, couple punch, 2 or 3 kicks, but now I'm going to kick him back. Let's see if he can use his body evasions, okay? So Anton enters, couple punches, 1 or 2 kick, I'm going to kick him back. Let's see if he can evade. In the next sentence, okay, Anton's going to close the door. We're doing a step, punch, and then a kick, okay? So he's going to enter with his kick, couple punches, step, punch, kick, and close the door, just like this. One more time, very slow. Enter, couple punches, step, punch, kick, close the door. And obviously, you can cross behind him, use a pendulum or whatnot. We're going to start to combine various skills, okay? So Anton's going to enter with a kick, throw a couple punches, do couple evasion, add couple spear kicks, and then close the door in any way he likes, okay? So let's see what it looks like. Anton's going to enter, throw a couple punches, evade, throw 1 punch, 2 spear kicks of his choice, and close the door any way he likes. Circular motion, perfect. Let's look at it again. He enters, couple punches, evade, evade, evade. All right, moving forward, okay, the next one, we're going to add the footwork to our evasion, okay? We already know this skill, so let's see what it looks like, okay? He's going to enter with a kick, couple punches, evade, evade, get out of the way. Or evade, evade, get out of the way. Okay, moving forward, okay, now we're going to add our footwork as a line of defense to our sentences, okay? So let's see what it looks like. Sentence going to enter, through a couple punches, use his footwork as an evasion, throw a kick, a punch, and a kick. Okay, Anton's going to enter, throw a couple punches, get out of the way, punch, kick, punch, evade, evade, and out. Just like that. These are some of the ideas that we've been playing with to create some sentences, okay? Does it have to be exactly in that order? No, but that gives you some sort of templates, okay? Now, what would be interesting is for you to create more sentences on your own, okay? You see how all these building blocks stack together to create a sophisticated way of boxing. So that concludes that section, okay? So as you can see, we've been using some of the building blocks that we saw through the DVD, okay, to create some templates. Does it have to be that way? No, not exactly, okay? It'd be actually very interesting for you to take some of these blocks and create your own expression, your own sentences.